When you go camping and if you decide to buy a propane stove or some kind of stove that uses fuel in order to cook your food, it's really, really important to go ahead and use that and see, go ahead and use up a whole tank of propane. It's not very expensive. It's like $6 or something. And see, how many meals can you get out of it. Cook little meals, cook the packages of the same packages of rice that you're going to use, and see how long it actually takes for it to cook all the way. And then turn the stove off, light it again, and do it again so that you can see how many meals basically you're going to get out of the stove, how many meals you're going to get out of one tank of propane. Something you also have to take into consideration is that at higher altitudes it takes longer for water to boil. So you're going to have to go ahead and give yourself that leeway also. Something else you might have to consider is having trouble lighting the stove. So basically you need to figure out, how many meals do you get per tank of propane, and then you need to go ahead and give yourself like 4 or 5 meals extra just in case something happens or just in case you miscounted or something like that happens. And just be really sure to know exactly, how much propane you're going to need for every meal.